We're rolling. Today we want to talk a little bit about bed systems. We get a lot of questions where people are trying to figure out not just a configuration, but ease of use and different ways that they can put a bed into their vans. And there's a lot of different options out there. And it's a good thing there's a lot of different options out there because not everybody is doing the same thing with the space in their van. We spent quite a bit of time trying to come up with a good configuration that is also modular for some of the projects that we're doing. So we want to showcase what we've come up with here. This is the bed system outside of a van. We have designed it so that it becomes easily convertible. Anybody from 8 to 80 years old can go from an open space in the van to a bed system. We want to not only for this to be easy to convert into a bed, because there's some systems out there that they claim they're a convertible system, but they can be super heavy, super cumbersome, and you almost need to make a decision before you go on a trip on how you're going to use the bed. So this, we made it so that it's individual leaves, almost kind of like your grandparents' dining room table. You grab a leaf and you set it in place. You see this little nut right here. When you're in transit, these will actually store against the cabinet just like that, and we've got a handle that twists into place to secure them. When you're wanting to use this not as a bed, but possibly maybe as a workstation, or maybe you've got a galley and a kitchen set up to the side of it, you can grab one of the panels off the side here and you turn it into a workstation just that quick. You can remove it and turn it into a bed in 20 seconds or so. It's super quick. But when everything's put away, you have this entire space. So if I'm standing in the van right here and that's the back door, you have all the space for bikes, kayaks, even just to move around through your bed area. That way you're not just closed off from the rest of the van. But if you want to gear up for the day, grab one of these leaves, drop it into place, open up your cabinet, get ready to go for a hike. You can even use this as maybe an office, anything like that. You got a standing desk. If somebody's in the kitchen, somebody's back there gearing up for the day and they want to make food, bam, they can set one of these in place and you've got a secondary workstation for your kitchen, or baby changing station, anything you can think of. The other nice thing about this is the bottoms we designed, and it's all just open cabinetry. The base of this side bed, all these guys open up and you've got tons of storage. And depending on how you configure your van, one side can be your utilities and one side can be storage, or you can split them. But we've made it so that these guys open up and they've got quick release, so that if this side was your utility side, you can just pop this door off in order to work inside it. All of our cabinetry, our base cabinetry, is made out of ultralight plywood. It's double laminate on both sides, so it's super easy to clean and super light. Average sheet of Baltic comes in at about 100 pounds. Our ultralight comes in about 46 pounds or so. You can save a lot of weight. If you've got 4 sheets right here, you saved a couple 100 pounds just through plywood. Yeah, we love this. We're coming out with our next version will actually be hinged on one side. So, and a lot of people have asked us for the Murphy bed style. So this will just be one continuous piece and you'll be able to drop this down into place. One of the reasons that we kept this just with the leaves, besides the modular workstation, was when you have a Murphy bed that sticks up, a lot of times you can lose your overhead cabinets on this side. So with this style of bed, you can have cabinets front to rear on both sides if you like. If you have any other questions about this, or you're interested asking for any specs, anything like that, give us a shout, reparadise.co. Thanks.